whatever he wants, you give him. But him, if he wants you to open your leg, jahe. If he wants it in the kitchen, jahe. If he wants it at the wardrobe, jahe. If he wants it in this living room, you open wide. All you ask is how wide. You don't argue. If he wants missionary, yeah. If he wants in doggy, yeah. You give it to him. And mind you, this your mouth. Your mouth is not only for eating and drinking. Put your mouth to use in the bedroom. Put the mouth in the right places where you should put it, and you will see the result. You will hear hallelujah from his side. Once you get pregnant, it is over, game over. Once you get pregnant, you know no fair. This life is sweet, oh. I don't know why you want to suffer by force.
Mama.
Calm down and enjoy this life.
Mama.
Ada.
Mama.
Ada.
Mama.
Ada. Get what? Did they forbid good thing in your life?